Judy Fine here. It's been a while since I put a new video out. I apologize for that. I've had all kinds of things going on. Have been keeping me really busy, but super exciting stuff. Just a little bit of the teaser because I'm not going to tell you the whole thing here. But if you are someone who is dedicated to building your life around your creative pursuits, whether or not you're trying to support your life fully with them or just make extra income from them or just make what you love to do a priority in your life, then you're going to want to know about what's coming down the line. So stay tuned here, follow my Facebook page, whichever. Stay in the know for that stuff. You'll be interested in it. I'll talk more about that at another time when it's ready to be launched. Meanwhile, I have been wanting to get a video out where I talk about not just how important it is to use your core when you sing, because I say that quite a bit, but I want to actually give you a tool to help you strengthen your body so that you can use it more when you're singing. This is information that normally only either my online students or people who have purchased my online course learn from me. So you're going to get some like behind the scenes information here. Really important exercise that will help you strengthen your core when you're singing. So you should check it out, especially if you're somebody who gets a lot of vocal strain. But for anybody, you want to improve your range, you want to improve your tone, you want to improve your agility, all those things will be improved by using your body properly. So here's your sneak peek for an exercise that I call palm presses. All right, check it out. Thank you for being patient. Hopefully you are patient with my lack of videos lately. And I will see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. All right, thanks.
So first I'm just going to take a big breath. That should have been easy to see. Hopefully you saw that. But I want to be able to expand my ribs without having to hold that air in my lungs. So I can. I go like this. I expand my ribs. They're nice and big, but I'm still talking to you because I can hold them open while I'm vocalizing. And I can breathe in and out too. My ribs are still open. And then I can relax them. The purpose of palm presses is to strengthen the muscles that open your ribs so that you can keep them open while you're singing. This is going to be where you get your strength from. If you don't use your body to get your strength, then you're going to be forced to try to get strength from your throat and your face. And this is what causes strain and robs you of some resonance and agility and all kinds of things because you're tightening the muscles in your throat because you're not getting strength from your body. So the rib cage exercises or the palm presses are super important if you want to sing with ease and yet with power. You're going to apply a little pressure, just enough that you can feel the muscles in your arms engage, but you don't want to focus on the muscles in your arms. You want to focus on the muscles on the side of your back. You want to try to engage those muscles. The goal of the palm press is to use this little bit of pressure to engage those muscles on the sides of your back, and then pull your palms apart and try to keep those muscles engaged. And then after a few seconds, you can just relax your torso. So a little bit of pressure, elbows up, shoulders relaxed, shoulders down. A little bit of pressure, engage the muscles on the sides of your back. Hold them, keep them engaged while you pull your palms apart. Wait a few seconds, and then just relax your torso without dropping your arms. If you drop your arms, you can't tell how much of a drop you're getting in your ribs. So your arms need to stay where they are. Now, it's possible that when you do this, you don't feel any engagement at all. If that's the case, you're not alone with that. You just have to keep doing it. Eventually you will feel it. You may also feel the engagement when you're doing this, and as soon as you pull your palms apart, they just fall. So if that's the case, do this and just practice engaging your muscles and then just kind of rest and then practice engaging your muscles. Just do that a few times, and then one time maybe every 4 or 5 times, see if you can hold them open a little bit. You just have to keep at this at your palm presses. They will get easier and easier. You can do these as much as every day. Maybe take one day off if you feel like your muscles are tired. But do these a lot and be pretty vigilant about it. Not just about doing it, but like paying attention to what you're doing, because they get really repetitive and then people can just end up just going through the motions and not really getting the benefit. So the idea is you're engaging the muscles on the side of your back, You're holding them, and then you're releasing. You can do this. Engage. Hold them while you pull your palms apart. Release without dropping your arms. When your ribs get stronger, you will be able to feel that you can open them while you're singing the song. So if you have a song with a long note you need to hold, you can expand your ribs and you'll find that you can hold that note longer. If you're somebody who struggles with tension, you can lean on your ribs and practice relaxing your tongue and your neck and your jaw. It will make a huge difference in your singing. So really do palm presses, I promise you. This is foundational support and it's most important. It's more important than anything else you could be doing right now if you're not singing with your body. All right, good luck.